The very first mentioning of Bled Castle was in the year 1011. Today it remains the most visited castle in Slovenia. The castle has a great view of the town and an even better view of the Church of the Assumption of Mary, also known as the Lady of the Lake. It has a bell tower that dates back to the 15th century. Legend says it's a bell of wishes, and those who ring it can have one wish. We managed to make it back into town in time for the final performance of the annual Bled Festival.
Chocolate banana on a stick. I give it to the Slovenians. They're coming up with some really creative stuff. Who would have thought? Dip your banana in some chocolate. Oh, it's apple. These things are great. What is that? So here we are in Bled. What is the ending of an amazing day? Started off a bit of a swim. We did a bit of skating.
We came here for fun.
That's it. Smile. Bit of rain this morning. That's okay.
Happy coffee, happy Slovenia.
Let's get some traditional Slovenian cooking.
So these are secret recipes that nobody's using them anymore, besides me.
Traditional Slovenian lunch.
Local food.
That's what I grew up on that.
That's a good friend.
In Slovenia, their biggest meal of the day is lunch. Rebecca's father, Marco, prepares his favorite, blood sausages.
Marco's homemade blood sausages.
Special bowl made from the pig and spices. You've got to taste that.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
It's not morning anymore.
So you like cooking?
I have to. If I want to eat, I have to cook.
He has to take care of his 4 princesses.
3 daughters, wife, 2 cats, and a dog.
All female.
Have you taught your daughters how to cook?
They had no interest.
No interest. All right.
I think you only
They're just on iPhones all the time.
So is there a name for this food you're making?
Ripa. Ripa z ucvirki.
It's time to eat. Some traditional grub.
We usually eat that in the winter time when it's very cold because it's very strong, a lot of calories. So
Thank you, chef.
these are really typical local dishes that we make.
Let's start with this one.
The cool one. It's already covered.
Oh my god. Get on it. That is beautiful. Moist. Tasty. Man, I think I'm set for winter. That's some good stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna dig in. After a full meal, we said our goodbyes.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Just drop by.
Yes! We wanted to explore some of the many activities Lake Bled has to offer. The obvious one is going for a boat ride, but summer tobogganing caught our eye.
I'm doing a luge with Huge. 2 tickets to ride. Yeah.
Afterward, we decided to check out some canyon jumping.
The first rule of the canyon, have fun.
Nice.
Everything aquatic, having fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
do this. Let's go.
The great thing about this adventure is not only do you not need any experience, but all you need to do is show up with your swimsuit and they provide the rest.
Reach. That's Spider Man, let it rip. Safe.
2 hours southwest from Lake Bled takes you to Bovek, a small town nestled in the Julian Alps. While in Bovek, you can whitewater raft down the Soča River, which is also known as the Emerald Beauty because of its color.
This is the River Soča.
Yeah.
Ice cold.
Yeah, I can't feel my legs. I can't feel my legs. Got an ice pack for my arm.
Starting at an elevation of 876 meters, the river runs 138 kilometers through Slovenia into northeastern Italy, then arriving at the Adriatic Sea. This course of the river has changed drastically through the past 2,000 years because of landslides.
Yeah, that's it. It wakes you up. What do you think?
In and out like a fiddler's elbow.
We traveled further south in Slovenia to Postojna, where we got wind of a DIY skate park called Puma, which was built from an abandoned gas station.
This place is awesome. DIY at its best. Bit of chunky business, but this is what you want. This is what skateboarding's about. Oh, that's a man down. Out there.
We met up with Tibor, a local skateboarder who's been a big part of Puma since it started in 2008.
My name is Tibor. We are at Puma skatepark in Postojna. This is about it. You're just looking at the vert ramp. Two friends of ours brought here. I mean, we did tons of sports. But when you discovered skateboarding, it was something that, I don't know, there were no rules. Just you and the board and the streets. There was no skate parks anywhere around. There was no skate shops in Slovenia back then. So you had to go to Italy or to Austria or to Germany to get a board. That was probably the best part of it because you had to really struggle to skateboard. Like a small crew, it's a small town. But we were building our own launch ramps, our own little skate parks. Year by year, we progressed. There's a core crew of 6 people, and there's a lot of helpers from all around Slovenia, also pretty much around the whole Europe. We had a lot of supporters from everywhere. We started inside first. We didn't get any permit to come here, and we looked at it and we're like, fuck, let's do a mini. It's already drawn on the fucking wall. And this is the first concrete piece we made afterwards. This little corner. I got married right here in the bowl. So here was the table where the mayor was sitting and another clerk from the city. Me and my wife, Eric, first marriage on Puma. And here was like the stairs. If we would leave it like this, Mayor couldn't climb inside, right? It's all with a lot of help from my friends. This is Bold Rider getting ready for the Olympics in Tokyo in 2020.
220 Olympics.
Yeah.
Wow. This is the training ground.
We are all life in Slovenia. It's perfect. For me, it's perfect. I have 2 kids, and I think it's probably one of the best countries in the world to raise kids. I never pushed skateboarding into my kids' arms, you know? They should discover skateboarding by themselves. So she discovered it like this. She goes like this and goes all around like this.
Cheers, man.
Cheers, yeah?
Cheers to the good work. Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for having us, man. Yeah.
Before saying his goodbyes, Tibor showed us a popular place to skate in the square.
Fantastic!
11 kilometers out of Estonia is one of the largest castle caves in the world, Prama Castle. The castle, which is built on a 120-meter cliff, would have been a feat to build.
Jesus.
Thank you, weapon. I like the nutcracker myself. That's a beauty.
Back in the 1400s, the castle was controlled by Esrom Luger, a robber baron who stole from the wrong emperor and was killed by a shot from a cannon after being betrayed by one of his own men. While alive, Esrom had one of the caves enlarged so he could have a secret entrance at the top of the cliff that he would use to supply the castle during sieges.
This is a must. The countryside is littered with these castles. This is the most stunning. Prama Castle, built in 1200. And if you were a serf, this is your nightmare. You'd be stuck building this thing for 100 years for the king in medieval times. Tough go.